What's up, DIY Nation? Welcome back to YouFloor, the channel bringing you tips and tricks to help you with your next flooring project. Now today we're going to be installing a TMold in the doorway in a bathroom on LVP. That's right, this LVP is a little bit thinner than your average LVP, so we're going to have to figure out some tricks to get this thing installed because this little thing right here at the bottom is not reaching the subfloor. So we're going to have to pad that thing up. Here's how you do it. Let's go. First, I want to get a measurement in the doorway here. As you can see, in between the doorway, I have 30 and an eighth, but I'm going to be bringing that transition around to these little bump outs and be notching it. So I'm going to go ahead and make the overall thing 30 and 5/8. I found this little piece of cardboard in my transition pack. Does anybody know what it's for? Oh, you guys can see that I have this right here. If I try to set it down there, this little U channel that they send out, as you can see, it doesn't even reach that. It won't click down in there at all. There's no way to get it to click in. So what you have to do is before you put this U channel in, you need to set it on top of this right here. And then drive your screws down through that. And as you can see, that will build it up. And that will build it up the thickness that you need it to build it in, and it'll clip down inside there just like that. See? With a hammer, it'll sit flush. Just like that. Alright guys, that's the plan. Hey, and if you like what you guys are seeing so far, help me out by smashing the like button. I sure would appreciate it. And also, if you don't want to miss any of these videos, go subscribe to the channel and make sure to turn on notifications. That way you won't miss any videos that I got going out in the future, and you will become part of the DIY Nation. Alright, back to the video. Alright guys, I believe that'll go. Alright, and then the trick for getting these things clicked in for me has always been to just kind of lean it up at like a 30 to 40 degree angle. Start one side, and if you can get it clipped in and down and slide it over like that, I mean, we're pretty tight right there and that thing is in. So I'm just going to bend it down and put it where it goes. I can feel underneath there. I want to get it kind of lined up with where it goes on this side. That's it. That's perfect. Now that I'm in there, like literally all I got to do is come through and pound it down and it'll grab all the way across. There you go guys. One LVP transition installed, TMold style. Well, that's going to do it for this one guys. Until next time, take care and stay safe. Peace.